Risks of skipping tax ID on ISF filing. Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage video series. In today's episode, we will be addressing an important question that many importers often have. Is there a penalty for not including the consignee's tax identification number in the importer security filing, or ISF? Before we dive into the answer, let's quickly recap what an ISF is. The importer security filing is a requirement enforced by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection for ocean shipments entering the United States. It serves as an electronic document that provides information about the cargo, its origin, and the parties involved. Now, back to the question at hand. Is there a penalty for not including the consignee's tax identification number in the ISF? The answer is yes, there can be penalties imposed for such omissions. In fact, it is crucial to provide accurate and complete information in the ISF to avoid facing costly consequences. The penalty for not including the consignee's tax identification number varies depending on the specific case and the discretion of the customs authorities. It is important to note that compliance with ISF requirements is taken seriously in order to maintain the security and integrity of international trade. This brings us to the topic of customs bonds. A customs bond is a financial guarantee required by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection to ensure that import duties, taxes, and fees will be paid by the importer. It acts as a form of insurance for the government against any potential non-compliance or financial loss. Importers who fail to comply with ISF requirements, such as providing accurate consignee tax identification numbers, may face consequences that go beyond penalties. These consequences can include detentions, examinations, and even potential shipment delays. It's important to understand that providing accurate and complete information, including the consignee's tax identification number, not only helps in complying with ISF requirements but also streamlines the import process. By doing so, importers can avoid unnecessary delays and additional costs. So, what can importers do to avoid penalties and ensure compliance with ISF requirements? They can partner with a customs brokerage firm that specializes in handling import-export procedures. These professionals are well versed in the intricacies of ISF filing and can guide importers through the process. In summary, the consignee's tax identification number is a crucial piece of information that must be included in the importer security filing, or ISF. Failure to provide it can result in penalties, detentions, examinations, and shipment delays. To avoid such consequences, it is advisable to work with a customs brokerage firm and ensure accurate and timely submission of the ISF. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information valuable. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos. We look forward to seeing you next time. Check the disclaimer note posted below.